Hello, AI enthusiasts. The biggest news, one of the biggest AI stories of 2026, Meta's acquisition of Manus AI has become the center of a global technology and geopolitical battle. What happened? Why did China intervene? And what does this mean for the future of AI? Let's learn and see. A rising AI agent company coming out of China, which is founded in China and which is based in Singapore. This is an AI agent, and his company who built it, it's known as Butterfly Effect. Founded by Chinese entrepreneurs, later moved headquarters to Singapore, specialized in AI agents, considered one of the most advanced autonomous AI systems. That is why Meta is after them. Manus AI became famous for creating advanced AI agents capable of performing complex tasks autonomously, unlike traditional chatbots. AI agents can plan, execute, and complete workflows with minimal human involvement. Yes, obviously, it was a big move when Meta acquires Manus. Acquisition was announced on December 2025. Deal value was approximately $2 billion. It's a big shot. Goal to strengthen Meta's AI ecosystem. So in December 2025, Meta announced its acquisition of Manus AI. The company planned to integrate Manus technology into products across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Meta AI. The AI agent race has very much begun, so that is why Meta wanted Manus. Why? The next generation after chatbots. Yeah, it can answer questions, have conversations. It is an autonomous task execution program. It has advanced reasoning. It has productivity automation. Yes. Also, it can be used for scalable AI workforce. The AI industry is rapidly moving beyond chatbots towards AI agents. Meta viewed Manus as a strategic asset that could accelerate its position in this emerging market. After after Meta wanted Manus, China steps in. Beijing blocks the deal. In April 2026, China's NDRC intervenes, that is, China's National Development and Reform Commission. Why do they do it? Acquisition order to be unfound. So in April 2026, China's National Development and Reform Commission ordered Meta to reverse the acquisition, citing national security concerns related to AI technology and talent. So they wanted to stop the brain of the country, China. Yeah. So blocking the deals due to national security concerns. In today's world, AI is viewed as strategic technology. Yeah, protection of critical talent, it is necessary for China as well as India, but it is hardly be seen. Protection of intellectual property, yes, it has become an asset actually. Control over advanced AI capabilities, yes, that's the point. Prevent sensitive tech from transferring abroad, yeah, due to cybersecurity reasons. Any incident can take place in this new generation. Chinese regulators argued that advanced AI capabilities, intellectual property, and highly skilled AI talent should not be transferred to foreign ownership without strict oversight. So the unwinding separation process began. Meta cuts Manus off from internal systems. Data sharing has been stopped. Existing projects migrated away, which were integrating earlier. Operational shift split process began. Yeah, reports indicate Meta began disconnecting Manus from internal systems, ending data sharing, and preparing to separate technologies that had already started integrating. So what do we learn Yeah, this is a global AI warning, not just a business deal. It is more than a business deal. AI is now became a strategic asset, as I have said earlier. Technology sovereignty matters. Intense US China AI competition. Yes, they are comparing hardly, bro. Future acquisitions will face tougher regulatory barriers. Yeah, we can say that the Meta Manus case shows how AI has become a geopolitical asset similar to advanced semiconductors and defense technologies. So, what will happen next? Is it going to be a uncertain future? Manus founders reportedly exploring company buyback. Yeah, regulatory investigations are continuing. The future acquisitions of AI may face scrutiny. Reports suggest Manus founders are exploring ways to regain control of the company, while regulators continue increasing oversight of cross border AI investments. Really. So, my final and the bigger question comes, who will control the future of AI? Are they governments? Are they tech giants? Or are they open source communities? The race of AI leadership has just begun. The Meta versus Manus story is not just about one company, it represents the growing struggle over who will control the most powerful technology of the coming decades. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, yeah, do follow. See you.